This is Dr. SANCHIT BAJPAI. I'm an ENT and head and neck surgeon, and I hail from the beautiful city of Mangalore. I completed my MS in ENT and head and neck surgery from Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore. Having a keen interest in critical care, I pursued a fellowship in critical care medicine under Indian Society of Critical Care. Now, since the time I was in school, medicine used to intrigue me as a profession because of the fact there are so many hidden things inside the most intricate design that has been designed by nature, that is the human body. And finding out answers inside that is the most intriguing thing for me. There's a saying that goes like this: the hands those heal are holier than the lips that pray. And I constantly abide by this saying, and I work tirelessly each day in order to be best in my profession. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. And that is the reason I derive my sustenance from Indian classical music. I give at least 1 hour of the day, whenever I go back home, to instruments and music. And that is the part of recreation which I have to have because I'm dealing with a subject like medicine each and every day of my life. Coming to my subject, why ENT surgery has been regarded as a nightmare, so difficult to understand by undergraduate students. ENT surgery is a lot of artwork, and it's got a lot of imagination. That's why I call it an imaginative surgery, because it's got a lot of three-dimensional things. There's a very famous quote by a great personality, Benjamin Franklin, and he said, "Tell me and I'll forget. Teach me and I'll learn. Involve me and I'll evolve." And that is what medicine is all about. Medicine is not about learning. Medicine is not about mugging up textbooks. Medicine is about involving yourself each passing day and evolving with it. Teaching for me is something that has a very, very important corner in my heart. And this has been there since undergraduate days, because I've been teaching since then. And what holds the most important part in teaching is that I have to break that brick into multiple pieces for the students so that they can understand not only that concept, but to understand the clear, cut, transparent glass concept so that they can understand each and everything that is lying behind it. To be in association with such an organization, Dr.Polaris, a medical teaching organization, not only focuses on clear-cut concept-based learning, but also helps the students to groom up and understand how to connect dots in order to approach a diagnosis. And this is of utmost importance in order to become better clinicians in the future. ENT as a subject has got a very three-dimensional anatomy and unlimited complex pathologies. And that is the reason why people are so much scared in taking up ENT, and it becomes a nightmare in undergraduate days. And this is the reason why I want to change this approach, particularly in dealing this subject, ENT. Through this process of learning, I always want my students to see ENT, involve themselves inside the subject, imagine ENT, rather than mugging it up. Because in the current day, modern day science all believes in clear-cut concepts. Take pride in what you are doing, because you need not be great in order to start, but you need to start in order to be great one day.